2, lighting, the downlighter, center lights, TV 1 unit, wall bracket both sides, open up to the dining area, big window for lighting, natural lighting, gypsum, downlighters, center light, and the wall brackets, big enough to fit an 8x8, which opens up to the kitchen, breakfast counter. We have our countertop, beautiful granite. We have our inbuilt microwave and oven. We have our fridge. We have our hob. Hob and our beautiful pot. Cutlery organizer. Spice rack. Upper cabinet, lower cabinet, double sink, which opens up to our laundry area. We have the tap, we have spacing for your washing machine, which also opens up to our DSQ. Here is our DSQ, fully ensuit. We have the closets, well done, beautiful. These are the concealed handles, which opens up to the bathroom. Beautiful. Head to the bedrooms. We have bedroom number 1. Ensuit, beautiful cabinetry, window, beautiful wall brackets, and the center light. Center light, the wall brackets, and then opens up to the bathroom. Bedroom number 2, which is also ensuit. We have the wall bracket, we have the lighting, and the beautiful window. Common washroom and vanity sink. Master bedroom, this is the primary bedroom. We have storage, big window for lighting. We have our beautiful center light here, and we have our wall brackets there. We have a shaver light here, and the bathroom with a vanity.